Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying core systems. Inspect the envelope and valves for tears or blockages and confirm helium purity and pressure. Once done, rig the gondola and distribute mass so the center line is balanced. This prevents oscillation during ascent. Make sure to arm instrumentation and set the ascent rate on the altitude controller to the planned 5m/s. Don't delay filling. Monitor pressure and temperature as you inflate to target lift, adjusting regulator slowly to avoid dynamic stresses. You initiate launch when wind 10 km/h and clear airspace is confirmed. Release constraints gently to avoid jerks. As the balloon climbs, use the altitude controller to vent gas or drop ballast so you maintain the target 5m/s ascent. This keeps thermal and pressure changes predictable. Once you have a steady ascent and GPS lock, monitor telemetry channels and battery voltage. If telemetry degrades, switch to the backup transmitter. Make sure to log events and keep radio silence, except for required check-ins. You end the flight by initiating the planned descent. Either command a burst at ceiling altitude or open the timed vent to release lift gradually. Once descent begins, verify parachute deployment and switch to high-rate GPS telemetry so you can track drift in real time. Make sure to use wind model predictions to intercept the landing. After touchdown, approach cautiously and disable power. If systems fail to report, use the beacon and search grid. Troubleshooting tip: if no telemetry, triangulate with last known bearings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.